Now we have for you here this Volkswagen e-Golf Mark 7 facelift, 136 PS. Now the hybrid is a cracker and it has a good spec as well, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, a city emergency brake, front and rear parking sensors, a hydraulic brake assist, a forward collision warning system, and these 16-inch alloy wheels. Now, when looking at the boot is a good size, and it even comes equipped with 2 charging cables. The interior has 2-zone climate control, a composition media system, and a multi-device interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.